In medical equipment, a metal part may look simple, but behind that part, there's a serious question. Can it stay reliable for long term? In medical imaging, air systems, diagnostic equipment, and precision instruments, small defects can create big risks. A tiny air pocket can become a leakage path, and a small machining error can become an assembly problem. A surface failure can affect cleaning, appearance, and long-term use. This is why Sunrise-Clara exists. Sunrise-Clara is our processes package for medical and precision components. It connects casting, machining, and surface treatment, inspection, and traceability into one controlled loop. For 2026, Clara is not only about making medical parts cleaner and more precise. It is about making the full process more controlled and more visible. The first upgrade is Sunrise Vacuum Cast 2026, vacuum die casting technology. In the past, many factories only care about the final vacuum value, but a final number is not enough. The process matters. For Vacuum Cast 2026, every mode has a standard vacuum curve. Every shot records vacuum level, vacuum time, and vacuum curve status. If the vacuum is not reached, production should not continue as normal. If abnormal vacuum behavior appears continuously, the process must stop for inspections. Every abnormal shot is marked and separated. It cannot quietly enter the good batch. With this process upgrade, porosity-related risk is reduced from 30% in 2025 to 5% in 2026, while production yield improves from 70% to 95%. So we're not only saying we control porosity, we are building a system that can monitor, stop, separate, and trace the risk. This is the Clara 2026 upgrade. From defect detections to process control. After casting, precision continues with Sunrise Makino CNC precision machining. For key medical precision parts, machining accuracy depends on fixture, positioning, tool accuracy, thermal stability, inspection feedback, and SPC trends. Our CNC process works together with the ZEISS segment measurement. The goal is not only to inspect the final part, the goal is to use measurement data to keep the process inside a stable window. For selected critical features, we control machining tolerance down to plus minus 0.003 millimeters. When a dimension starts to drift, we want to see it earlier and correct it before it becomes a quality problem. Then comes Sunrise Medical Coat. Medical grade surface treatment. For Clara applications, the surface must support cleaning, handling, friction, and long-term use. Our validation targets include 4B coating adhesions and 2H surface hardness, together with age coverage and cleaning resistance. These targets help us confirm that the surface's treatment can stay unstable on the edges, corners, machined areas, and complex structures. So Corona is a complete chain. Sunrise Vacuum Cast 2026, Sunrise Makino CNC, size measurement, Sunrise Metal Coat, inspections, and traceability. For medical and precision parts, quality means every hidden details must be controlled.